This is my birthday, which means I'm older now. But also, this arrived when I was in school. I just got back from school. Tiring. And then this arrived like what? Noon. And then I just looked in to see if it was okay, and it's okay. Open. Uh, 1 second. Yes. Oh God. If you can see that. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I got the Zeztz driver for my birthday. Box is a little bit not in great shape, but you know, what's inside is the most important, you know, like everybody else. I'm so excited, you have no idea. I've been I've been waiting for this shite to appear. Oh God. Uh, eh, eh. Yes. Oh God, it's smaller than I thought it'd be. I thought it was just be like this big. It's actually kind of cute. And what else we got here? Oh, of course, we got. Oh, this is the bonus one. I got the bonus one, so I have the Gochizo Capsum, and also the Zeztz. Oops, the Zeztz Gochizo. I don't have a Gav driver. I might get one in the future, but this is for now. Ah, hard to record just one hand. And all 4 main capsums. I might get the boost and plasma in the future because this might be my next Kamen Rider obsession. I'm gonna be real with you. I have not watched a single episode of Zeztz, but I do like the writer. I do like the way they're doing things. I do like the driver, especially the sound effects. I've been spoiled with like the Legend Rider sound effects, and I might get a few of the Legend Rider capsums, specifically O's, because you know O's is my favorite writer. So we'll see. Ah, yeah, baby. Ooh. They're smaller than I thought they'd be. Cause I thought it'd be like this big, you know, like holding like a ball. The tiniest. They're cool though. They're so cool. Moment of truth. Yeah. Whoa. Could be. I'm on it. Henshin. Oh, I feel like a kid again. Let's try the finisher. Punish! Like a little bit. And I love how it stays on. So yeah, upcoming like Zeztz cosplay maybe. So let's try stream. I forgot how he does it. It does. I haven't watched the show, so let's try Henshin, I guess. Stream. Like even with I have 2 lights on right now, and you can still see the the LED. It's so bright. Hell yeah. So let's try recovery. You don't have to spin it that fast, dude. Now this one I know. How do I... I don't know if I did that right. Recovery! So cool, my god. It's a bit tight because it's brand new, natural. So let's try Wonder. I don't know this one. Let's see. I love the trumpets. Wonder! I'm tempted to get the weapons, but not yet. Okay, I'm gonna use the bonus one because I haven't seen that many reviews of like all like Zeztz, like a bunch of Zeztz captions. So I'm curious how this works. Got the Gotizo one, and it's sparkly. Ooh. Gotizo. It's the Gotizo singing. It's the Gotizo singing, my god. That is funny. Overbanish. Zeztz! Let's go! I don't know what to do with you, but I'm gonna keep you sealed in case I get like in case I do get the Gav driver, I might keep you sealed. But yeah, I can't believe I got this is my first like latest rider like driver. I usually get like older ones because you know I can't afford it, or like you know I can't buy it at the moment because it's out of stock or something. But this one, this time it's the first time I actually got the latest rider belt like in time, you know. I'm on it. Henshin! Impact! Let's go! So, yeah, lost money, I guess. But you know, money well spent.